Hey, what's up? It's Alyssa and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you can see from the title naman, this video is all about our photo shoot for graduation. Basically, ano lang to, slideshow ng mga pictures na nasa phone ko. Onting footage lang talaga to, guys. So slideshow lang talaga siya. So enjoy.
Daddy's in the bathroom.
First one.
Second one, or third one.
What are you willing to do? Parang asungit ko. Andrea lip plumber ba yun? Yung linagay ko sa lips ko? Oo, no? Oo. Oh!
Hindi naman siya masyadong
Hindi kasi may cracks. Hindi, may cracks yung ano ko. Akala ko lip gloss lang siya. Lumilipad yung ano ko. Tignan mo nun. Oh. Ang ganda ni Micaela. Hindi ko sinasabi to, pero nawalan ako ng mood kanina bago kami umalis kasi ngayon lang nagsingkit, nag-graduate na talaga pala kami. Grad Victorial na tiyo. Tapos, ang dami pa rin hindi naaayos sa room. And it just makes me sad that we're ending on such a bad chapter. So, yun. Kaya ako nalan sa buong. Guys. Kidilig! Kakyot!
Kakyut, Rizzy, kakyut!
O yung noon.
Ay, mabilis na magkapos yun ang break lang namin. Hindi na. Papadala ko yung eyelash extension.
Oh my gosh. Shala.
I told you that story to tell you this one.
Sila sa Nababa infographic.
Ayoko na ano. Huwag na lang tayo pumasok.
Baby, you ain't gotta give my love in no way. Daddy's home, home for me. And I know you've been waiting for this love in your
Kissing and hope they cut us, whether they like it or not. I wanna show you